Alright boys, summer's done, the weather's cooling, and that means it's time to upgrade the wardrobe for fall. Now let's be real, fall is the best season for men's fashion. Why? Layers, layers and lots of layers. You get to actually experiment with textures, jackets and color combos without sweating buckets. So today I'm breaking down aesthetic dressing styles for fall. Simple offers you can pull off, look stylish in and not overthink. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to dress aesthetic this season without spending a fortune. Let's get into it. Before we jump into the outfits, let's talk about why fall season is undefeated. It's all about layering. You can layer a simple tee and jeans but add a flannel, bomber or knit sweater. Suddenly, you look intentional and put together. Plus the colors of fall, think earthy tones, browns, creams, olives and deep navy. They just look classy on any guy. So with that in mind, let's go into the aesthetic styles that will make you stand out this season. So here are 5 styles for fall. Style 1. The clean minimalistic. White tee or light knit sweater, slim chinos or dark jeans, a neutral jacket like beige, camel or navy. Add clean white sneakers or boots and boom, aesthetic, simple, timeless. Style 2. Streetwear is oversized hoodie layer with a bomber jacket, relaxed fit cargos or straight leg denim, chunky sneakers or boots, accessories matter here. Beanie, chain or crossbody bag takes it up a notch. Style 3. Smart casual layering. Oxford shirt or turtleneck, wool overcoat or trench, slim trousers or fitted jeans. This is for when you want to look sharp but not overdressed. Style 4. Vintage retro vibes. Corduroy jacket or varsity jacket, relaxed jeans or pleated trousers, loafers or retro sneakers. Throw in earthy tones and it gives that aesthetic 90s throwback look. Style 5. Cozy aesthetic. Knitted sweater or cardigan, slim dark denim or chinos, Chelsea boots or lace-up boots. This one's perfect for chill days, coffee shops or casual dates. Notice something? None of these require crazy designer stuff. It's all about fit, layering and color palette. Now you might be thinking, bro, do I need to buy a whole new closet? Nope. Here's the cheat code. Focus on basics first. Neutral tees, black, white, grey. A couple of good jeans and chinos, 1 or 2 solid jackets, boots and sneakers. Once you've got these, you can mix and match into almost every style I just mentioned. Add 1 or 2 statement pieces like a varsity jacket or chunky sneakers and your fits will instantly look aesthetic. And here's the secret ingredient. As I always say, confidence. You can wear the most aesthetic outfit in the world, but if you are hunched over, looking down or walking like you don't want to be seen, it won't hit. So when you put these fits on, own it. Straight posture, eye contact and walk like your outfit costs 10 times more than what it actually did. That's the real aura booster. Because trust me, when you combine style plus confidence, people notice. So boys, that's how you dress aesthetic this fall without overcomplicating things. Which of these styles are you gonna try first? Drop it in the comments. And if you are serious about leveling up your whole vibe, check out my other videos such as how to glow up in 30 days, the perfect haircut, how to get clear skin and so on. It pairs perfectly with this one. Alright, fall season is here, no excuses. Time to look sharp. See you in the next one. Peace.